Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have WhatsApp mobile application and I'm going to show you how can you easily change your number. At first click on these three dots over here and then click on settings. Here click on your profile and click on your phone. Here, as you can see, change number. Changing your number will migrate your account info, groups and settings. Before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. If you have both a new phone and new number, first change your number on your old phone. Now you have to click next, and here you have to type in your new number. After that you have to click next, and you will be done. You just have to follow the instructions. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.